Hi, today we are gonna see phrasal verb of cut. Cut back, to reduce or decrease. Cut down, to reduce in size or amount. Cut off, to remove by cutting. Cut out, to remove or eliminate. Cut through, to go through or across something by cutting. Cut in, to interrupt or join a conversation. Cut up, to cut into pieces. Cut across, to take a shorter route across an area. Cut away, to remove by cutting, often used in film editing. Cut loose, to release or free by cutting. Cut short, to end or terminate abruptly. Cut into, to reduce the amount of time available. Cut to the chase, to get to the main point without unnecessary details. Cut a deal, to reach an agreement. Cut corners, to do something in the easiest or cheapest way. Cut in line, to join a queue without waiting. Cut class, to skip a school class. Cut the crap, to stop speaking nonsense or being deceptive. Cut a rug, to dance. Cut somebody some slack, to be more lenient or forgiving. Cut and dried, clearly decided or settled. Cut and run, to flee quickly. Cut a figure, to have a particular appearance or demeanor. Cut it out, to stop doing something annoying or inappropriate. Cut your losses, to stop investing time or money in a losing situation. Cut a long story short, to summarize briefly. Cut someone to the quick, to deeply hurt or offend someone. Cut teeth, to gain experience or expertise. Cut a check, to issue a check for payment. Cut your teeth on, to gain experience through a particular activity. Cut through the red tape, to navigate bureaucracy efficiently. Cut somebody off at the pass, to intercept or thwart someone's plans. Cut and thrust, to engage in a lively debate or argument. Cut and paste, to copy and insert text or data. Cut a swath through, to move forcefully through a group or crowd. Cut a caper, to skip or dance in a lively manner. Cut one's losses, to minimize losses in a difficult situation. Cut corners, to take shortcuts, often compromising quality. Cut from the same cloth, similar in nature or character. Cut one's teeth on, to gain initial experience in a particular area. Cut one's way through, to make a path by cutting through obstacles. Cut in half, to divide into two equal parts. Cut and run, to leave abruptly, especially in a difficult situation. Cut and dry, clearly and distinctly settled. Cut a dashing figure, to have a striking and impressive appearance. Cut it fine, to allow very little margin or time. Cut to size, to reduce something or someone to the appropriate dimensions. Cut in line, to move ahead in a queue unfairly. Cut through the noise, to focus on what is important amid distractions. Cut through the red tape, to bypass bureaucratic obstacles. Cut to the quick, to deeply wound or hurt emotionally. Cut and run, to leave quickly, often to avoid trouble. Cut a caper, to skip or dance in a playful manner. Cut someone down to size, to diminish someone's importance or arrogance. Cut from the same cloth, to share similar characteristics. Cut one's teeth, to gain experience or skill in a particular area. cut and dried, clearly and definitively settled. Cut a deal, to negotiate and reach an agreement. Cut off at the pass, to intercept or thwart before reaching a goal. Cut and run, to leave a situation abruptly, especially to avoid difficulty. Cut one's losses, to stop investing in a losing situation. Cut your teeth on, to gain experience or expertise in a particular area. Cut somebody down to size, to humble or diminish someone's importance. Cut through the noise, to focus on the essential amid distractions. Cut one's teeth on, to gain experience through a particular activity. Cut one's teeth on, to gain experience in a particular area. Cut a caper, to skip or dance in a lively manner. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.